Okay, welcome to AJL Cinema Channel. Today I'm gonna clean a Colombian / Puerto Rican rice pot with the baking soda and vinegar trick. And the baking soda and vinegar isn't doing it for me. So what I'm doing is a step further with the drill and the bristle brush. A little bit of progress. A little progress. The bristles are still intact. Can't really see with the light. Seeing the way it was before. It's upside down. And the bristles are still intact. Baking soda and vinegar. Alright, that's the best I could do because my daughter's getting pissed. But there you go. And it could be better than that. This is just with the bristle, the wire brush on the Makita. Speed 2, because you don't want to break your arm putting it on speed 1.